Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down.
What's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, guys. I'm just going to give you a quick one on how I ended this week, right? Yeah, I ended this week. So, guys, the last video I dropped was on Wednesday. I'm not giving you guys the video of Thursday, so I'm just going to show you how I started my Thursday, the trade I was watching out for, and how it played out, and how I ended that day, and how I just ended the week. So let's go to the video. I'm on a trade GU right now, so let me show you what I saw on this trade. I made me enter this trade. Alright. So as you can see from my chart, as you can see from my chart, this is a trend line which has been broken. And price broke it below, came back to retest my EMA and the psych level. Alright, and also there's a trend line from above. There's a trend line from this above, so making it the third touch, and my psych level, and also the EMA, right? So at this point I went down to the lower time frame, and after the two bearish candle, after this two bearish candle, see 1 2, I went in on a short, right? So currently I'm on a short on GU. I'm shorting GU right now. You can see price rejecting that. So alright, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Please stay tuned. So guys, my stop loss was hit, and now I'm waiting for some other setup, right? Because the setup was invalidated. So I'm waiting for another setup. Maybe that will be New York section. I'm gonna be waiting patiently. This is my WhatsApp community where I share the trade. So setup was invalid. Right now, this is what I'm waiting for. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to go long. I'll be waiting for a pullback to go long on GU. Alright, so I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, alright, so that was how I took my first trade, and that was how it played out. So let me show you guys the next thing I do after that trade, and what the trade I took after that loss. So and how it played out. So as you can see from my 1 hour time frame, this is the trend line. Like after reanalyzing, I found out that this is my counter trend line. So I drew my counter trend line, and I was waiting for the break and retest of this counter trend line. So like I was waiting for the retest of the trend line and my psych level. So actually when price came down to the level, as you can see, that's the zone I drew. This zone I drew right here, that's my psych level actually. So I was waiting for price to come down, and as you can see, price just came to retest it and reject after testing that zone, reject it. So after this 2 bullish candle on 15-minute time frame, that was when I went in on the buy. Right? So I bought from this position right here, and my stop loss was below the zone. That's zone exactly, and price stopped me out again. I was stopped out the second time, and immediately I was stopped out, I post it on my WhatsApp group, the community. So people there were like, all right, it's going to shoot up, it's going to go up because there's a news event coming up, and it's going to go up because of that news event. So I quickly reanalyzed it and find out my setup was still valid from the 1 hour time frame. I found out that it has not broken the trend line fully. So I was like, yes, it's still above my EMA and everything is still valid. So I still went out to the 15-minute time frame and looked for entry quickly before the news is going to happen. And immediately I saw this bullish candle. I opened on my entry right there at the close of that bullish candle right here. So that was where I went in, and as you can see from the trade, it was a successful one. The news came and boost everything, so it was a successful one. That was how I ended up with a win. So that was how I end the week, and it was a profitable week. Let me head to my journal quickly so you see the trading journal. So for my trading journal, you see that this is where the week started from. Yeah, this is where the week started from this GBP USD sell, and the week I took loss starting from the week. I started on Tuesday. I took 4 loss on Tuesday. I won't lie, I traded with emotions, right? I traded based on emotions and all, because there were much news events this week. So I learned a lot from it. Right? I learned a lot from it. Alright. So this is it. I sold GU and I sold GJ and I lost. So I bought GJ. That was the one I bought on Wednesday, which gave me this profit. And this is the sell I sell this Thursday, right? I sold GU on Thursday, and that was the loss I took. After which I bought and I took the second loss, and this was the third trade. I just finished showing you guys that I ended up with a win. So that's it, that's how it is. Let me head to my MT4 so you guys should see. All right, I made some profit and I withdrew, so I reset the balance to 1000 cent, and this is my MT4. Let me custom it to the 1st of June where I started this challenge. Yeah, so this is it so far. This is my trading history, and as you can see, profit so far made is 889, as you saw in my trading journal, the profit. So as you can see, this was my first withdrawal, the 500. This is it, yeah, 563, right? So after which, this week, that was the ending of last week, I withdrew 500 cents, and the ending of this week I withdrew 304 cents. All right, so which in total I have withdrew all my profits, which is 800, and yeah, the withdrawal says 867 cents so far. So that's it. I made profit and I withdrew, though the week was tough. This week was very tough, but I still ended up in profit. Yeah, I ended up in profit. So guys, that's it. I'm preparing for the upcoming week, so we pray the market give us goodies. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you find value in this video, please don't hesitate to like, and if you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button and share this video to your family and friends. And also, if you're new to the forex market and you're looking for how and where to learn, alright, go to the description of this video. You find the book there, Mastering the Forex Market. There's a link there that will direct you to the book, Mastering the Forex Market. So just click on it and go get it if you're interested in learning forex from scratch, the basics of forex. That will guide you all through the basics of forex to technical analysis and every other thing you need to know in the forex market. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at the Trendy Fantasy. Just go down in the description, you see the link there. And also, the broker and the profile I recommend, the link are right down in the description. Please just go check them, and you might need any link from that description. All right, thanks for watching and peace out.